Hey, what's up? It's Rellz here, coming to you live and very much crusty. So today in this video we're going to be doing some passion twists. I'm going to do a tutorial. I know I already have one on my channel. It wasn't really a tutorial. I was just doing my hair and talking to y'all. I'm going to do an actual tutorial this time. So yeah, let's just get started because you know this could take a minute. So right now my hair has been washed, deep conditioned, and then I put it in 2 braids, looking very much crusty. I went to sleep. So my hair is not blow dried or anything. It was wet last night, but it's kind of dry today. So that's what we started off on. With this hairstyle, you don't need to blow dry your hair or anything. This is a heat-free hairstyle. This is definitely my favorite hairstyle to do because one, it's easy to do. It involves braiding, but you do not have to know how to braid to do this. It's easy. It lasts a long time. It's easy to like refresh the front of your hair, like when the front starts to get old. This will be my 3rd or 4th time doing this hairstyle on me, and I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at all because I be looking cute and it lasts long and it's easy to do and I can do it myself, and I only got this hair for $30 on Amazon. That sounds like all pluses to me. Okay, so to get started, I'm gonna take my hair down, take these braids out. Now I'm gonna section my hair. I like using scrunchies nowadays because they don't pull my hair out. These hair ties right here, they have this little like metal, I mean not metal, like glue or something right there, and that rip your hair right on out. So now I just split that section in half again. Well, not in half, but like a smaller layer, because this is the hair that we're going to be actually working with. I'm not parting with a comb or anything like that because for these passion twists, I don't really care about the parts. I feel like the messier the part, the cuter the hairstyle is. Like, you don't need neat squares. I actually hate when passion twists have neat squares. Like, unless they're the big ones, like the big short ones, then you don't need no neat parts. Well, me personally. So yeah, I'm just sectioning with my little finger. Now that I got the section, I'm gonna go in with this Shining Gem conditioning gel. So I'm going to go in and put some of that at the roots of my hair. And then I'm going to go in with this Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask. Now I'm about to go start braiding my hair. I'm braiding weird because I have these nails on. And you don't have to braid tight or you don't have to braid down too far. See, I don't even know. I don't even know. And now I just do this for the rest of my head. So for the back of my hair, I'm going to make the parts a little bit smaller so I can have more twists in the back. And then when it comes to the front, the parts can be a little bit bigger because I want my hair to be full, but I don't want my hair to be bulky by the front. So the way that to get the fullness, because my head, y'all see my head, it's big. I can't have no little hairstyle. I gotta have, you know, volume. So the way that I do that is I make the parts in the back smaller so there can be more twists in the back and it's full in the back. But then when it comes to the front, it will lay flat because there's not as many twists and all that type of stuff in the front. So in the front, I'm probably gonna pay more attention to the parts and like have them looking a little bit neater. But when it comes to the back, I don't really care. And if you want to get your twist to be full but not bulky, then this is a good method to use. It's currently 9:55 a.m. I predict I'll be done plaiting my hair at about 12, about noon. The back is completely done. So we're done plaiting all the plaits. It's currently 1:09, so I overestimated myself. But I did stop and take an eat break. This is all the plaits. We're plaited up, So now I look like this. So now I'm going to section off the top of my head because now it's time to add in the weave. And I'm actually going to show y'all which hair that I'm actually using. I got this Believe hair. I ordered this off of Amazon and it came with 6 packs of hair, and it also came with a crochet hook. It came with these lashes, and then it also came with these little charms. So the hair comes like this. Y'all probably already know this. So I'm going to take a piece of hair off of here, and then it comes like this. So then you have to take your fingers and you have to separate it to fluff it out to make sure that the twist is like, you know, juicy looking. You don't want no stiff old thin old twist, do you now? You see the difference? This versus this. And you do that to all the pieces of the hair. Now your hair is prepared to be put into your head, not into your head, on your head. The most important thing about passion twist is that you have to twist the right way or it's not going to turn out right. If you don't take nothing else from this video, take this. So you see this, I'd like to figure it out which way I have to twist before I put it on my head because it's just easier. So I just twist this way a little bit, and you see as I'm twisting, this is not forming a twist at all. Like, it doesn't look, that looks crazy. So then I twist the other way and you can see how that's forming a nice twist. So that means I have to twist this way, which is towards the right, and I have to keep that in mind when I put it on my head so it doesn't cause any confusion and my twist don't come out looking ugly. Okay, so I'm gonna try to explain this for the 3rd time. So I have to put a rubber band on this plait because my hair is so soft and thin right here. The braid just wasn't holding up, so it was kept sliding right out. So this has never happened to me before, so I have to put a rubber band right there, only on this plait. The rest of them are braids. I do not recommend using rubber bands. Y'all already know why. I don't even need to explain. So first you're gonna split the hair in half. I like to wrap one of the strands of hair around the base of the twist a few times just to add security. And this will be more so when there's just a braid in there, just to add some security. But for this part, it's more so to cover the rubber band. But if you had a braid, it's more so just to add security. And so make sure that your twist don't be slipping and sliding and wilding and wooling, you know? I like to add more jam to this part because it makes sure that the hair sticks and it's not like, you know, going everywhere. So we're just gonna keep twisting. And once you get on here, you can twist pretty fast. Y'all hear my nails? But yeah, you just twist, 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 twist. Give y'all a close up, I guess. And once you get down here, you don't want to twist that tight. Like, you do not have to twist that tight because then that's another factor to make your twist look more like less twisty. I don't know. But if you want your hair to be like less uniform and like your twist to not be as neat looking, then you can pull hard. But for me, I'm just twisting. And see, look, I didn't make sure that my twist was even, so now it's uneven. That's fine. I'm just going to twist until I can't twist. I'm going to take a piece of hair from the other strand, slide it over, and then just keep on twisting. And then that's going to make the ends of your twist look kind of messy, but it's fine. And then we're all done. We have our twist, and then the end looks kind of crazy. We could just cut that off later. But for now, we have our twist. So I'm going to show you guys one more time. You're going to take whatever moisturizing product you have, put it on there. Then you want to go in with your jam. And then you're going to take your crochet hook, crochet it through. And then you're going to take the hair, make sure that it's even on both strands of hair. And then you're going to take your real hair. And then you're going to put it in one twist. And then make sure that you're wrapping the right way. I was wrapping the wrong way at first. And wrap one section of hair around the base of your hair to make sure that it is secure. Wrapping, wrapping, wrapping. I think that's secure enough. So then I'm going to take more jam, just so that my hair can kind of like blend in with the weave. And take some more and we're just gonna twist. And then when I get down a little bit further, I don't know, I just feel like this make me feel better. I like to split my real hair into 2 sections and then put a piece of my hair on either side. and I don't know, that just made me feel like it's more secure. And also, if your hair, like the front of my hair is quite thin, but when I was on like the middle of my hair and the back of my hair, it's kind of thick. So if you split your hair up, it'll make your hair become, like your real natural hair, become less noticeable, because it'll be two small sections rather than one big thick section on one side of the twist. And then I keep adding jam until I get down to the length of my hair. My real hair stops about here, so I'm gonna stop adding jam, and I'm just gonna twist. And you get really fast at it, like once you know, get to it, becomes easy. And another thing is, I try to make sure that I'm not twisting so tight at the base of my hair, because you see how this is skinny and then it gets like fluffy down here. I mean, I don't mind it, but I just try to keep in mind that I don't want it to be, my twist to be thin at the top and then get fluffy at the bottom. So I try to keep that in mind. As you can see, I kind of failed because I be so wrapped up in making sure that my hair is like secure. My natural hair is secure up there, so I twist kind of tight, so it kind of makes the twist tighter. But then when I get down here, I loosen up. I'm gonna give you a little, another peeky leaky at how they're coming out wonderful. It's gonna be so cute. It's almost midnight and I started this at 9 AM. But yeah, I'm just about to knock this out, so keep on watching. My heart is racing, it's burning straight to you. Can you me? We're done. This is how my mom really want to vacuum right now. I'm gonna go through and trim my hair, trim the ends of my hair, and then I'll come back to show y'all the difference. So I just bobby pinned my hair, like I put bobby pin right here, and I think another one right here, so that when I lift my head down, like the hair doesn't fall on my face, because this is how I like to wear my hair, all the way to the side. Okay guys, so this is the finished product of my hair. I did my edges a little bit. I couldn't do them how I wanted because they just wasn't cooperating. I think I need to get some new edge control, but these are my edges, you know, just some slight, some light, nothing too heavy. I love it as per usual. I knew it was gonna be cute. I knew I was gonna be looking like that thing, as I should. It's cute. I trimmed the ends to make them look less scringly. Some of them still a little scringly, but you know, I think it just adds character. But this is a finished look. This is how it looks from the back. I use 4 packs of hair, like that's exactly 4 packs of the hair from Amazon, and I highly recommend, if you're gonna do this style, order the hair that I got from Amazon. It's Believe Hair. I recommend this brand because when you get that free tress or lily tress or water wave hair from the store, the twists do not come out like this. Unless if you're looking for this exact look, the twist will not come out like this if you get the hair from the hair store, because it just won't look the same. And this is a good hairstyle to have for the summertime, because braids and twists and, you know, locks and all this type of stuff, those are summertime hairstyles. You want to protect your natural hair, tuck your natural hair away for the summertime. It's just too hot to be dealing with some natural hair, you know. And it's very light. Like, this don't feel like nothing on my head. Like, it don't feel like nothing at all. Like, this literally feels like nothing. It's so light. And that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. I hope you try this hairstyle out, and I hope you looking cute, girl. I want you to be like, you know, period. So yeah, I'm just gonna see y'all in the next video. Bye. Oh, do y'all like my shirt? It says, why be racist, sexist, homophobic, or transphobic when you can just be quiet? Just shut up. You should just be yourself. So what he let you